In functional group test, we use Fehling solution for identify aldehydes. In this video, I am going to show you how to prepare Fehling solution. Warning: sulfuric acid and sodium hydroxide are corrosive. Be careful when handling these chemicals. For this reaction, I use copper sulfate, sodium potassium tartrate, sodium hydroxide and concentrate sulfuric acid. First, I measured 6.9 grams of copper sulfate and dissolved it in water. Then I added 4 drops of concentrate sulfuric acid to acidify the mixture. The water is added to the mark of 100 milliliters of the volumetric flask. This solution is called as Fehling's A solution. In the laboratory, Fehling solution can be seen as two separate solutions A and B. To prepare solution B, I use 35 grams of sodium potassium tartrate and 12 grams of sodium hydroxide. These two chemicals dissolve in water and volume up to 100 milliliters by water. This solution called as Fehling solution B. Then I transfer two solutions to separate bottles. Here is the final product, Fehling solution A and B. Before use for the test, the equal volumes of two solutions are mixed together and used for the test.